I'm going to show you how to make a power supply shroud to cover up that nasty rat's nest of cables.
Hey! Well, actually, I like it.
Here are the materials and supplies you need for this mod. 1 sheet of clear cast acrylic that is 1/8 inch thick, 12 inches wide by 24 inches long. I put the link at the top of the video. Well done. Number 3, acrylic cement. Every product I'm using is listed in the video description. A 12-inch long measuring square. A handheld jigsaw with an 18 TPI bimetal cutting blade. Adhesive-backed Velcro strips for attaching the shroud. A pair of C-clamps or table clamps for fastening down the acrylic when you cut it. And finally, some rattle can paint. Measure the space around your power supply starting with height, length, and width. Use a measuring square to draw out these 3 measurements onto your acrylic. Clamp down the large sheet of acrylic and cut out your 2 pieces. Test fit your shroud, then remove the paper backing and position the acrylic around the power supply. Grab the Weld-On 3 acrylic cement and brush. Apply the Weld-On 3 to the edges of the acrylic. You have 1 minute setup time because it dries quickly. Hold the acrylic pieces for 10 seconds. Don't freak out if the bond isn't perfect. We're going to apply more cement after removing the shroud. Now remove the shroud and flip it over. Now apply more of the cement to the inside seam of the acrylic to strengthen the bond further. Then flip it over again and redo the top seam. This stuff is a solvent cement and it fuses the acrylic together. The pieces have now bonded together stronger so they can hold this power supply up. Now apply 3 strips of the adhesive-backed Velcro to the top of the power supply. Then remove the top layer of the adhesive backing and reinstall the acrylic shroud. Apply pressure so everything bonds. The Velcro allows you to install or uninstall the cover at any time. Here's those before and after results. I went even farther since this PC build was themed after the Fallout game and modified the power supply shroud. You can watch how I created the Fallout PC with the video link at the top of the screen. Thank you again to everybody who watches and supports my videos by commenting and sharing. I really appreciate it. And you can always check out my store at mmpctech.com where I offer mods for your PC builds and use the code FALLOUT at checkout for a discount. Have a great day, everybody.